welcome back to my channel, and today I do have a very interesting notification, job recruitment notification for you all. And this is basically for all those who are willing to work with the COVID in COVID times, and you just not have to just fully in contact with the COVID patients, but you have to work in the laboratories. So the National Institute of Virology, which is related to the ICMR, has basically launched gave the notification about these government contractual jobs just for a very you can say a monthly time period of just up to 31st July 2021. And it will lead to the extension if you work if your work basically has a very tremendous effect on that particular lab. If you are working good, they will definitely have you for next rounds, right? For next few months also, for a year also, right? So this is a very good chance to showcase your talent. And all the positions, I think so there are basically 6 positions they have given the notification about, and the last date to submit the application is 1st June, right? 1st June tak hi hai last date to submission. And the first one is contract laboratory support 1, right? And the total vacancies for this post is 8, and the salary you will be gaining in this is rupees 18,000 per month. And qualification you need to fulfill to be eligible for this post is 12th pass with science subject, right? So you should be, the priority will be given to basically the medical one, which has to the medical subject in the science in the +2 class, and plus DMLT, right? So second one is contract laboratory support 2, and it has total vacancies of 12, and the salary is 31,000 per month. And the qualification, the minimum eligibility criteria for this is graduation in the life sciences subject. Life science can be botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, biotech, anyone, right? Plus 3-year work experience. It is desirable in this case. And if you do not have work experience, you should have the master degree then. Master degree in the life science subjects, right? Next is contract laboratory support 3. And this include the vacancies of about 5 vacancies are there, and rupees 32,000 per month, right? And minimum eligibility criteria is if you have the graduation degree in the life sciences subject, plus you have the 5-year experience, right? Or you have a postgraduate degree, right? Next is in all these posts, basically they have a desirable experience category, right? So they if you have the experience, then definitely it is a very good chance for you all. If you do not have the experience, that is also not the way that you think I should not be giving the application for this post. Let's have a check on your fate, right? Apply for it, because anything comes around your road of your journey of success, you should grab all the opportunities that are in your paths, right? So the next one is for the contract scientific support 1, and the total vacancies for this post is 2, and salary is rupees 54,300, which includes HRA 2 per month. And this is a very good one salary, and it does include the eligibility qualification that you needed to be eligible for this is first class master's degree, that is MSc in the life science, plus if you have a 2-year experience, it is very you can say desirable. And if you have MSc in the 2nd class, right? If you do not have scored good, but you should have the PhD, your PhD should be ongoing in that case, right? So next post is scientific support 2, and it has vacancy of only 1, and 68 salary is 68,875 plus HRA per month, which is quite good. and the qualification for this which is required is MBBS plus 1 year experience, or MD in microbiology, or PCM or pathology, right? Next one is, and the last one is admin support 1, and this includes the vacancies of total 8, and the salary will be 16,000 per month, and the qualification required for this purpose is if you have done the intermediate or you are 12th pass, with the typing speed of 35 WPM in English, or 30 WPM in Hindi, or 10,500 kdph in English, or 9,000 kdph in Hindi. So the minimum age for this contract admin support 1 is 25 years, whereas the scientific support 1 and 2, it is 35 years, and not minimum, sorry, up to 35, right? And up to for the contract laboratory support 1, 2 and 3, it is up to 30 years only. So first step for applying to this is fill the application form as directed. I will be describing in the description box all the things which has to be required for that, and also the website through which you can gain that application form format also, that could be sent on the respective you can say mail at a very particular time, because last date for applying is just very near, just 2 days away from us, right? So you only apply to this post if you are willing to work for the COVID-19 situations, and also when you are basically mindly prepared to move to other cities also, because they can post you to any city, right? So the website link for this is basically you can, if you will be searching on government, type in Google government job notifications, right? The first one will come as freejobalert.com, right? You will get the first notification, and then you will see on the All India exams, you will find this notification of this contractual jobs over here, and from that you can download it, the format of the particular application form that has to be filled, and this is totally free. You have to just send according to the all the things, your personal details and all that. One photograph is also to be attached, and that photo should be sent to the, and that photo format should be sent to the respective mail that they have written in the, you can say, your that particular contractual application form, right? So that is basically www.niv.co.in. you will also get the notifications over there too, and this is a very you can say interesting job to be taken place, because you will have the exposure to work in that conditions too, and you will get the experience certificate. That is also very good, and if your work will be good, they will regard you further too, right? So this is all about today. So hurry up, do fill this application form and grab your chance, and do not lose hope if you do not have the experience. Check your fate at that time. So do subscribe, like and share as much as you can for more details, right? For more the recruitment processes, for more fun activities, for everything, right? So this is all about today. So do subscribe, like and share as much as you can. Thank you. Bye bye.